Hello everyone. Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of optical illusions. Our brain possesses astonishing capabilities. It has the ability to fill in gaps in reality where none exist and, simultaneously, overlook the glaringly obvious. Often, this phenomenon can be attributed to the unique features of a particular image, triggering specific reactions in our senses and brain. Today we'll dive into mind-bending examples, uncover the science behind them, and even touch upon some intriguing historical aspects. Join us as we explore some of the most captivating optical illusions, showcasing the incredible nature of human perception. Let's start with a true marvel, the Airavatesvara Temple in India. Built in the 12th century, it's adorned with remarkable carvings, including the world's oldest optical illusion. Can you spot two animals in this carving? This ancient depiction features both an elephant and a bull. While each figure has its own distinct body, they share a common head that blends features from both animals. If you find it challenging to distinguish between the two animals, you can try covering the body of one to reveal the other. On the left, the bull raises its head toward the sky, while on the right, the elephant gazes forward. This remarkable carving is a testament to how optical illusions have captivated us throughout history. Now let's fast forward to the late 19th century. German psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus introduced us to the Ebbinghaus illusion, sometimes called the Titchener illusion. Can you determine if the red circles are different or the same in size? As you can see, the left circle appears bigger, but without measuring, they look the same in size. What about these orange circles? The orange circles are actually the same size. It's our brain playing tricks on us, influenced by the surrounding context. This illusion demonstrates how our brain interprets size based on surrounding context rather than absolute measurements. Another type of optical illusions we're fascinated by are the ones that seem to move despite being still images. These fall under the category of physiological optical illusions, caused by overwhelming the brain's senses with an abundance of color, light, movement, or dimensions that it struggles to process. Take for instance this mesmerizing design. Despite its static nature, it's neither a GIF nor a video. The combination of intricate patterns, light, and varying levels creates the illusion of movement as your eyes wander over the image. To experience it differently, focus your gaze on the very center of the image, and you'll observe the illusion coming to a standstill. Optical illusions aren't confined to ancient temples or psychological experiments. They've found their way into some of the world's most famous paintings. Artists like M.C. Escher and Salvador Dali incorporated illusions to challenge our perceptions. Take Escher's relativity staircases that seem to defy gravity. And who can forget Dali's melting clocks, or Galatea of the spheres? Here are other artists who used optical illusions to create surreal and unforgettable images. Even if you're not familiar with the Mexican surrealist artist Octavio Ocampo, you've likely encountered his paintings, which often incorporate hidden images within larger compositions. These works invite viewers to delve into the layers of symbolism and detail that define his imaginative and thought-provoking creations, such as Mouth of Flower, or Forever Always. One of his most well-known pieces is General's Family. Take your time to identify the 10 faces hidden in this painting. If you find it challenging, we will reveal them at the end of the video. This is another clever illustrated optical illusion from an artist. Can you spot the hidden tiger in the picture? No, not the first tiger you see, but the hidden tiger. Rest assured, it hides within the image, and you'll regret not spotting it sooner. This particular illusion combines the visual and cognitive, bringing a smile to our faces. Let's explore some more intriguing optical illusions. In the Ponzo illusion, there are two lines over an illustration of what seems to be a railroad track. Which line is longer? Trick question. They are actually the same length. Known as the impossible triangle, it can be depicted in perspective drawing, but cannot exist as a solid object. The optical illusion can even be created with makeup. Experience the Troxler fading, or Troxler effect, an optical illusion that influences visual perception. Stare at the X for about 20 seconds, and the Cheshire Cat will vanish completely. This disappearance occurs due to the eye's tendency to prioritize. Fixating on a point for a brief period causes an unchanging stimulus away from the fixation point to fade away and disappear. Optical illusions aren't just about what we see, but how our brains interpret what's in front of us. As promised, here is the key to unlocking the secret of the painting general's family. Now you can see where all 10 faces have been hidden. From ancient temples to famous paintings, our perception is constantly being challenged. The next time you encounter an illusion, remember, your eyes might deceive you, but the journey into the mind is always worth the ride. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep your eyes wide open, and don't be afraid to question what you see.